The fun ride to 0 kilometers TELOK MELANO was organised in conjunction with the National Youth Day. All riders gathered for breakfast and had last-minute prep before the ride. Registration and lucky draw numbers were taken early in the morning. The route towards TELOK MELANO will start from Dataran Sematan, crossing the straight Pan Borneo Highway, or 32 kilometers to 0 kilometers. Since this is a leisure ride, all will be riding in a pace of about 20 kilometers per hour, estimating arrival at 0 kilometers just shy of 2 hours. Lucky draw and a short beach cleanup will take place before the event ends. The hill. I think most of the riders have reached TELOK MELANO, and they have just given us some light refreshments, and it started to rain once again.
Last one. Thank you, terima kasih.